attempting Espresso Makeup, which is why I'm not wearing any makeup right now. If you don't know what Espresso Makeup is, I'm gonna put some photos of what it looks like. It's kind of just makeup with very neutral colors, a smoky eye, and I'd say it's like a really good makeup look for fall. I've only really seen this makeup look on people with brown eyes, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like with my blue eyes. So yeah, before I get into it, I'm gonna put some rollers in my hair. I'm gonna show you guys how I do like a little blowout. It's not like a huge blowout, it's just a very simple one. So I thought I'd show you guys how I do it before we get into the makeup. I'm gonna use this flat iron from Nishin. So I wouldn't really call my front pieces bangs just because of how long they are, but I'm going to take my bangs first. And once I have those pieces, I'm gonna take them together. And with my flat iron, I'm gonna go all the way from the top to the bottom. And then once I get towards the bottom, I'm going to curl it like this. And then you'll end up with something like this. I go over it 2 times because it's not curled enough. And there we go. Now, I'm gonna put this all in a hair roller. This may take a few tries because it's a lot of hair. And now I just secure it with a clip. These sleeves are really bothering me. Now that I have that one done, I'm only gonna use 2 more. One on this side and one on this side. I'm basically just gonna do the same thing. Go all the way down, and then once I get towards the end, I do this curly motion. Now on each side, I'm gonna do the same exact thing, just with like these huge chunks. I do have to go a little bit slower with it because it's a lot of hair. The reason I do it with this much hair is because I get really lazy when it comes to doing my hair, and I don't want to spend too much time on it. And there we go. And now when I'm done my makeup, I'm gonna take out these rollers. All right, let's get into it. I'm not following any specific tutorial for this, by the way. So all I have on my face right now is my skincare and a lip mask. For the eyeshadow, I'm gonna start off with a bronzer, and if I need to go darker, I will. Oh yeah, starting off with the eyes, by the way. That way if I mess up, I could just take it all off. Actually, I should probably put concealer on my eyelids first. So for the concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Kosas concealer. I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. Ugh, I hate this feeling. Okay, this is not making a huge difference, but whatever. Now with the bronzer on the eyelids, I'm gonna go in like circular motions. This is a technique that I remember from when I did dance competitions and we had makeup tutorials to follow. That really did not do much. I think I'm gonna need a different brown. We're going with my very old James Charles palette. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to blend that out real good. So far I'm hating it. Let's try the other eye. This eye's darker. This eye is darker. I don't like this. But we gotta trust the process on this one. Now, I think this is gonna be the perfect eyeliner for this look. This eyeliner is from NYX or NYX, don't know how to pronounce it. It's in the shade Burnt Sienna. With this pencil, I'm gonna go on my waterline. Oh my god, ow. I think it's the best it's gonna get. I look crazy. I'm also gonna go in the inner corner on the top. Now I'm gonna put on mascara. It's really weird that I'm doing mascara so early in this routine because I always do mascara towards the end. So I'm gonna use my favorite mascara for this, which is the waterproof telescopic mascara from L'Oreal Paris. I've noticed that a lot of people use false lashes for this makeup look. I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm still not done with the eyes, but I'm gonna be doing the rest at the end. So I am not a huge fan of using foundation, but for this makeup look, I'm going to be using the Dior foundation. Yep, we still have some left. It's getting so dark out. It's only 4 o'clock. I'm gonna take a brush for this and just apply it all over my face. I had to clip these a little higher up because they were really getting in the way. I'm not liking the way this foundation's looking, so I'm gonna go in with Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. That way I have a little glow. I know this is really not my shade, but trust the process. Honestly, this whole makeup look is a trust the process. Now I'm gonna go in with the same concealer that I used for my eyelids, and I'm gonna go under my eyes, on my nose, forehead, and my chin. Okay, I just soaked my beauty blender because it was way too hard to blend with it just being dry. Done blending up the concealer. Now it is time for bronzer. For this look, I'm gonna go in with 2 different bronzers. Well, this one's like a contour stick, but I still consider it a bronzer. Anyway, the contour stick from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just gonna put a few dots on each side as well as on my forehead. Well, I don't really do dots for the forehead, I just go all over. And then my nose as well, nose contour. And then very important on my neck, so that way my neck matches my face in the end. And I don't know if it's bad that I'm using the same brush that I did my foundation with, but that's what I'm gonna do anyway. So today is December 1st of 2024. I'm so happy it's December. I absolutely love the holidays. I started my chocolate advent calendar today. That's also very exciting for me. The next bronzer I'm going to use is from Patrick Ta. It's the cream and powder bronzer. So I'm going to be using both, I guess. I don't know. So today's Sunday. On Thursday, I am going back to my high school to pick up my yearbook because I've been waiting a long time for my yearbook. And I'm very eager to see my graduation quote. I guess I'll tell you guys what my graduation quote is. Now my quote hits very different now that Liam Payne has passed away, because it does have to do with One Direction. And please don't take it seriously. This quote is a joke. But my quote was, "High school is like Zayn in One Direction. You pretend to have fun for a few years, then you leave." With a little smiley face at the end. I know a few people in the Directioner fandom would take that very seriously and be like, "Oh my god, you're such a horrible person." But whatever, it's just for jokes. I think I win for the best quote though. I haven't really seen anyone else's quotes because, I mean, we don't have the yearbook, but I guess we'll see on Thursday. Alright, I think I'm done with the bronzer now. I don't know if I'm gonna like this blush. I'm the kind of person that loves using pink blush. I don't know if it's gonna be dark enough, but we're gonna try it out anyway. Okay, wait. This is actually more pink than I thought it would be. I actually really like it. Whoa. Not bad, but I think we can do better. I found some mini Rare Beauty blushes, and I think I'm gonna try these. I think I'm gonna mix it on my hand first just to see what it looks like. This is the shade of this one. I really like it. And then we're gonna go in with a little bit of this. Now, let's mix. That really did not do anything. Let's try to put it on my cheeks. This is what we're gonna have to deal with. I think it's not that bad at all, actually. I'm also gonna put blush below the tip of my nose, so it kind of does like a contour effect. I'm really happy you guys can't see my table right now because it is a mess. Next step, I'm gonna use powder. I'm gonna take this very dirty powder puff. I think I should clean it somehow. And I'm gonna go under my eyes. I'm not gonna bake. I'm not a fan of that. I'm also gonna go on my forehead and like the T-zone. Now I know some people for the Espresso Makeup look don't use highlighter, but I'm gonna be using highlighter. This is my all-time favorite highlighter, but I have no clue what it's called and I have no clue where it's from. I'm just gonna take with my finger and I'm gonna put the tip of my nose. I'm also gonna put on my cheek. I'm so excited to do my lips, but it's still not time to do my lips yet. I have to make this eye smokier because it is not smoky enough. My hand is such a mess from all the makeup. Alright, just going in with the same shade and just going over it because it could be darker. See, I like that. And now I'm very scared for this part. I'm gonna be going under my eyes with the eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna like pinch it a bit so that way it doesn't go too big. Okay, that went better than expected. Now I'm gonna do my lips. Okay, so this pencil right here is actually an eyeliner pencil, but I like to use it for my lips and my nose contour, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. It is just a brown color, and I'm just gonna go line my lips. All right, now I'm gonna do a little more nose contour. I know I'm kind of going crazy with the nose contour, but I don't really care. And now I'm gonna go in with Rare Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade Humble. I don't know if I should go darker for the lip. I think over top I'm gonna go with this gloss, but not too much. This gloss is from Fenty Beauty. I'm sorry, I'm just not a fan of a matte lip on me, so I just needed a little bit of a gloss. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, I almost forgot about my eyebrows. I don't really do anything to them. I literally just comb them out with this dried out brow tint. It doesn't even work anymore. It just brushes out my brows. I don't like to fill in my eyebrows. And lastly, with my freckle pen, I'm just gonna go over my freckles on my face. I'm also gonna put a few little ones on my nose. See, it's like the lightest touch. And I think I'm done. I'm not gonna put on setting spray because I'm not gonna keep this on for hours, you know? Now it's time to take off the hair rollers. I'm so excited. Ow. She's giving volume today. Love it. It's not gonna stay though. I'm actually loving the hair today. I wish I had somewhere to go because I really love this. Wow. I'm gonna be honest, I'm really loving this makeup. Like, I wasn't expecting myself to like neutral colored makeup on me rather than more pink, but I'm actually really loving it. I would so do this makeup again. Maybe not for school. I'd say I wear this makeup to go out somewhere. Like, where do I go out? Maybe a concert. I hope you guys think I did a good job with this. And yeah, let me know if there's other makeup looks you'd like me to try. Because I would love to try other makeup looks. I'm so used to doing like a lot of the same makeup, so if you have any recommendations, please let me know. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. So yeah, bye guys.